What's up, comic creators? I'm going to show you quickly how to add in some fade in and fade out to your project. I have my example project opened up here to my mountain shot where it starts. And so the first thing that you'll want to do is you can go ahead and select, or just go right into your bottom menu here. And so since I'm working with this mountain shot, I'll just select this clip real quick. And when I select the clip, I can scroll through and actually see all the different effects I can add to it. Now, one would assume that you'd click on animation to open that up, which animation does have some in and out effects that are similar to a lot of different things you can do for when you're trying to make a clip enter into the project. So when I click on animation, you'll actually see like an in and out animation that you can add, but that's not really what we're going to focus on. What I want to do is I want to add in an effect, and specifically I'm going to add in a fade in effect and a fade out effect. And so I'll show you quickly how to get that started. But if you just click on effects and then you click on video effects, that will open up all the different effects you can see here. You've got these trending, and there is a lot of different effects that you can do as you scroll through here. I mean, there's a lot of different things you can do to your project. The main one that I'm going to focus on is, like I said, the fade in and fade out. But as you can see, there's some pro options, so you have to like upgrade your account to get those. But anything that doesn't say pro is free. I'm going to click on opening and closing. And then as I select some of these effects and I click on that, it'll give you examples of what it looks like when you click on it. And so I'm scrolling through here and I can see a bunch of different options. Like you've got these blurs here. So when I click on the actual blur itself, it'll play out what that looks like on my project in the preview window. But I'm actually just going to stick with the fade in. It's just classic. So fade in is right down here. So I'm going to click on fade in. Once I click it, I can actually click adjust, and then that'll open up some adjustment options. Each one is different for each effect, but this just allows me to adjust the speed, the amount of time it's actually on screen. And so once you kind of get that figured out, you can go ahead and click the arrow button down, and then you can select the check mark in the top right hand side of the menu option, and that adds it into your project like so. So now you have the purple bar here, which represents the fade in effect and how long it takes. There's multiple ways you can adjust this. You can actually click on it and then open up in the bottom menu different things you can do to it. You can copy it, you can replace effect, and you can adjust it. So if I click on the adjustment, you can adjust speed. If I click replace effect, that will actually give me the option to swap the effect in and out. And so I can scroll through here and actually select something. Now if I click the little cross through the circle in the top left hand side of the screen right there, that will actually get rid of the effect in my project. So now I just got rid of it. And so in order to get it back, that might happen to you accidentally if you click that little cross out, because some people think that that's the exit option, but that actually deletes the effect out completely. So now you got to go back into effects and add it in again. I've done that a few times, and so I just wanted to show you guys that that little circle with the line through it on the left hand side of the menu option there actually deletes the effect. And so click effects again, then click video effects, and then open that menu back up, round 2, go to open and closing, and then scroll down and reselect that effect again and add it back into the project. So that's what'll happen if you click on that arrow or that little circle with the line through it and you accidentally delete what you have. And so another way that you can adjust this is you can actually grab the edges of it, hold your finger down and drag it over, which allows you to adjust the speed like I'm doing here. So basically here I'm actually clicking just the adjust button in the bottom corner of the screen, and clicking the check mark after that. But if I go ahead and drag it with my finger, I get pretty much the same effect here. I can shorten the amount of time that the effect's on screen, or I can lengthen it. And so that's how you pretty much do all that. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, but that'll definitely get you started, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please take the time to like, comment and subscribe, as it helps us to further please our YouTube overlords. Check out more links in the description for continued assistance on your CapCut projects, and please keep your arms and legs inside the craft until it comes to a complete stop. Be sure to mind your headspace and watch your step as you exit. Failure to comply may result in serious injury or death. We will see you next time, comet creators. End transmission.